Hello, Longisa. Today I eat noodle with eggs, and I like freebie sauce. I put this much. Look at all the color. The garlic is so good. I even put on my bread, my garlic bread when I toast it. I just put some of this sauce in it. This is her company. And in here, she even have scan. She add a lot of garlic. When she say garlic sauce, garlic. See, you guys see all this garlic. Oh, oh, spicy. Oh, the garlic is so good. Smells so good. So tasty. Thank you. Bye-bye.